This is actually day 3, so it's going to be out of sequence in the video editing. But I just reopened the hydrogen generator because I wanted to take some photos of the circuit board. And I've just double checked the pipes and the connections. And the only thing I can think is there is actually some sort of air leak in the cell itself. Because when I blow or push air into it, if I seal one end and push air into the other end, the air disappears. So it's got to be leaking out. I don't know if there's an air path or a gas path, to be more exact, between the hydrogen side and the oxygen side. I don't know if you can actually blow through, but I've already tested that anyway in the other video that I did, because I actually tried sealing the oxygen pipe on the other side, and that made no difference. I still lost the gas. So I think we're actually stuck. I think the actual hydrogen generator has got a leak in it. But what I've done at the moment is I've now got it going directly into the balloon. It's not going through any of the other stuff. So we'll just see how long that takes to inflate with nothing else blocking it. So we're clearly getting something generated. We'll have to assume it's hydrogen because it does work, just doesn't work for very long. But once it gets to that stage of inflation, it doesn't go any further. It should fully expand or inflate and fill the little plastic container. So I think from this point on, any hydrogen that's being generated is being lost internally somewhere, and I can't trace it. So we're stuck. So I don't think for 1 minute that those fuel cells or hydrogen generators are cheap on my scale of money. I might look at getting one, see if we could actually generate more hydrogen. All right, popped it back together again. So I switched that on, we got a little bit of hydrogen in there, and that was it. And that's as far as we can go unless we change that fuel cell. Because we're just not getting enough in there to give it a chance to run long.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.